If you've got an old net like this here, that you don't need anymore, think of throwing it away, folks. Don't throw it away.
Now I will show you what I'm about to do. Examine this network here closely. It is evidently quite old and significantly decayed. Your network has to...
This detail here, guys, look, it has to be
This one, and you're gonna need it too.
From a bowl here like this, right? Are you planning to retrieve your net?
Will you come with scissors? And you're cutting.
These little string here, don't cut that one. Here, you may need it in the future. Cut.
Position this in similar fashion and then proceed to remove it.
One by one of the...
The way I'm doing it?
This is definitely the last one, correct? You noticed it was absolutely no trouble at all. Now observe carefully. This specific detail is the one you're looking for. You'll proceed to obtain this canister, understand? Next, you'll take precise measurements to replicate it exactly as shown. Hence, allow me to clarify for everyone here so it's clear that I'll make the necessary incision. I'll take the entirety of this extension here if possible. Okay, I removed it, right? Now look, guys, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna open up here, okay? And pay close attention. If I'm seeing this seam here, I'm gonna take advantage of it, okay? Because she's very important, she's safer. So, I'm going to take the bowl, I'm going to leave more or less this distance here. From the seam, I'm going to hold here. With my hand, and I'm going to rotate. Ladies and gentlemen, this is to ensure that I correctly measure and cut the fabric. As you can observe, it was right here. I allowed it some leeway, anticipating any unforeseen events. May I proceed to remove it? Okay, I've cut it. Now I'll be applying the glue. For this project, I'm using this silicone glue here, but feel free to use any other type of glue. Whether it's white glue or styrofoam glue, it's all suitable. I'll apply my personal glue here on this part. The adhesive has been depleted, so now I'll proceed with gluing. Shall we glue it? All right, I'm pulling here, guys. Get ready for the hunt.
Okay, I'll let you. Drawing here from this position, here is here, right? I'm gonna take advantage and I'm gonna put the glue on here.
I'll open it.
Right here.
Look how easy it is, folks. I'm going to apply it on the glue in the way I think is the most effective. Absolutely no complications, okay? Oh, how cool it is. And here too, I'm going to pull the glue here. You won't need me to cut that. You better pull the glue over here. Just showing you here what this side here looked like. Now I'm just going to spend a little bit here and it'll get better, right? Glue ready. Now I'm going to leave it here to dry. While this here is going to dry here, I'm going to take this bottle and I'm going to make a dark one exactly here on it using it. A drill itself, which is used to drill the wall. Look guys, there's no complication, okay? You're going to get a drill, this wall drill. Oh, you can see, oh, this one. And you're going to be tapping at a fixed point on the bottle just above a finger. More or less here like this. Oh, if you hit this region here, the tendency to break the bottom is very large, okay? So you're going to keep hitting like this, oh, with the speed and a very light force, right? And always focusing on the same place, kind of a little wheel, okay? You will realize that it will start to break. Look guys, how easy it is. I'm going to put a cloth here. Oh, they measured exactly one finger. Oh, I'm going to get a nice place here. Oh, here, oh, I measured exactly one finger. Oh, and I'm going to keep tapping.
When do you start?
Tipping the glass. Oh, you get a little bit of the water. Oh,
I did.
I am.
I dipped the tip on my finger with water.
And you get wet, right?
Oh, get wet.
Oh, people, oh, you can see, oh.
It's already sinking in here, okay?
Oh, you can see it here already.
Korosyon, the glass already this hole will appear. Check it out.
Oops, it broke, you see guys. Oh, now it's just breaking slowly. Oh, very slowly, right? You can't lose the bottle. Oh, you can see, oh, that's also ideal. I'm gonna get a bowl of water, okay? And I'm gonna leave this bottle inside this basin of water. Hey, look guys. Ready? Now I'm gonna leave her here for a few minutes, okay? Or hours. All right, now I'm gonna get an old broomstick.
And I'm going to take a brick. This brick will serve as a base simply for me. Help make the cut. Cut one side of the solo. I have one there. And now I'm going to cut this other side. But first, I'm going to do the following. I'm going to take it here, and I'm going to do this personal measurement, which in this case would be from here. Oh, I'm going to take this measurement here, okay? I want this broomstick approximately here inside, all right? So take this first measure now, then I'm going to cut. Let's see if it works. It did. Look guys, it worked on the other side too, the same way. Mark here, and now it worked. Done, so now I have to take the center out. Of this broomstick. Okay, so I can get the center of this wood. You're going to take a sheet of paper. Oh, and you're going to take the same measurement here. Oh, the way I'm doing it. Okay, oh, and it's here, right? So I'm going to cut out here. So I know this paper has the same as wood, as you can see. So I'm going to make a bend in it like this. Oh. And I'll put it back here. Okay? So I know where the center is. It's here. Mark the same way here. Right here is the center. Now I'm going to cross these two here. I think the best way is like this. All right? Mark here. Mark here. Okay? I'll put it here and mark the same way. Look how easy it is. Now I'm going to cut this one in half and this one in half, then cross the two. So let's go, guys. Pick up the iron halfway. I took half of that. I finished and left it here. Now I'll screw this other one here. Pay attention to half and half. Okay, look, she opens. See that it's not easy, guys? Okay, just now, okay. Now you take it and put one inside the other, the way I did here, right? Now guys, we're going to make a hole here so that the light fits perfectly, which in this case will be a hole approximately this thickness here has opened enough. And now it fit. Oh, you see, it's getting into the crowd. Oh, it went right, guys. Oh, now I'm going to do the following. I'm going to put one with the symbol of the other, the way you're seeing here, seeing with it. Oh, I'm going to fit one inside the other. The fact of the forum is kind of crowded. It will arrest and it will make him firm the way he is here. Oh, you see. Perfect now, guys. You're going to get, the cork of the bottle, which I believe is a bottle, and wine, I'm not sure. And you'll just shave it off a little so that it fits perfectly into the bottle. Oh, let's see if it worked. Oh, it worked. It's pretty thin, right? Even taking it off is difficult. Now I have to connect this cork up here. I'm going to take the cork and I'm going to drill a hole in the center of it. This way here. Oh, show here. Hold the firm and rotate and go there. Now here's the thing. Oh, take the wire. I'll go inside. Oh, from the forum, from the bottle, the way I'm doing it here, guys, look at the magic. It's going to come out here. Now I'm going to put it in here. That's it. And now I'm going to install this nozzle. You will see that it is a very simple installation. You take the little piece here. It's this little piece here, guys, right? You're going to take this little coat off here, from the wire. Just follow my current method, okay? Let me remove a bit more. Well, you bend this wire here a little like this. Oh, it will increase its volume. You're going to put it in here the way I'm doing it, and you're going to crush it. You see that? It's crumpled. I'll do it on the other side. The same way I put it in here and knead it. Come on, ready? Now you can see a screw here, can't you? So I'm going to place this screw right here. Screw this screw here. And I'm going to put it here. I'll use the screwdriver and screw it in now. Okay? It's installed. And I'll come with this small piece. From the mouthpiece itself, and I'm going to put it here just for me, to make it really safe, so I don't lose it, right? Come on, I push it in, that's it, it's already there, people. Putting it here so much that you may be using a wire or a string, like this. This here is a string, right? I'll take it here. I'll take a spin on that cork. Look, guys, how simple it is, guys. As anyone can do, the advantage of the cork is because it is soft, so it fixes larger. You turn the cork around, you hold the broomsticks here, and I'm pulling here. And turn the cork around, right? Another turn, pull here, and again, another turn on the cork. Look how firm it is already. That's all, guys. It's already firm, right? And I'm going to keep that same tune. I'll come back here and I'll go back in the cork. That's it. I can already see here that it is already firm here. I know you don't need it anymore. but I'm gonna use this whole line here, okay? Said folks. Now I'm going to give you a simple $1.99, guys. I'll put it here. That was quick, wasn't it? It was pushing this cork a little more to get firmer. Look, guys, how cool it turned out, right? I'm going to be using this white lamp first, and I also have this red lamp. Let's go with the white lamp. You just put Rage's little stand in here. Guys, can you be doing this with the old network that you have there? Can you make it to sell? If you are not going to do it to sell, you can do it to leave at your house, some gift. Look how cute. Now I'm going to take the extension and I'm going to call to show you how beautiful this here is. Understand, guys, I did this here in a few hours. Look at this, guys, how cool this here is. Just turn on the little button. Oh, most beautiful thing in the world. Look, it's not cool. Now I'm gonna turn off the lights here so we can see if it was worth it. How much this is beautiful. Made with the disposable bottle with the rest of the old unused Rage. Look guys, how cool. It's not cool, right? Oh, now I'm going to change it with the red light. I'm going to turn it off here. I'm going to remove it. Oh look, how do I do it? Vita, with one of the lamps burning, we just have to remove it the way I'm doing it. Or you can change it to the color you prefer, right? Well, what about the red light? Let's go. But this one, right? Oh, the red bulb will definitely look very beautiful if you purchase a green bulb. I think it's pretty cool because of the bottle, right? Now let's see what it looks like. Are you ready? Huh? Oh my gosh. It looks beautiful, guys. Look at that, guys. What a mask.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night.